The equipment will be a mini spatula, and a springform pan, a food processor, and an electric mixer. For the crust, you need 25 Oreo cookies and 60 grams of unsalted butter. For the cheesecake filling, you need 60 milliliters of sour cream, 65 grams of custard sugar, 240 milliliters of heavy cream, 500 grams of cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course 15 Oreo cookies, but they need to be chopped. The topping, you can do it however you want, but I used 8 Oreo cookies and whipped cream. Now let's start cooking, but first, the most important step in every recipe, washing your hands. First, melt the butter in the microwave and then spread it through all the pan. For the crust, take all the Oreos and crush them all in the food processor. Then melt the 60 milliliters of butter and mix it with all the crushed Oreos. Finally, cover all the pan surface with this mixture. For the cheesecake filling, you need to mix with the electric mixer the vanilla extract, the cream cheese, and the custard sugar. Mix it until you have an homogeneous substance. Then add the heavy cream and mix it until you have a smooth substance. When the substance is smooth, add the sour cream and mix it like more or less 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you should have a mixture like this. Then add the chopped Oreos to the mixture. After this, mix it for 1 minute. Finally, put the cheesecake filling in top of the cookie crust. Then, with a mini spatula, make that the mixture is even. Then take the mixture to the refrigerator and keep it there for at least 8 hours. Then, when the 8 hours had passed, take the sides of the springform pan. Then, put in the top of the cheesecake as many Oreos as you want. I put many Oreos surrounding the cheesecake and one on the center. Later, put in top of every Oreo some whipped cream. Until this point, your cheesecake must be like this, but if you want to decorate a little bit more your cheesecake, do this next step. Crush 2 Oreos in the food processor. Then take this Oreo powder and put it in top of every cookie. And if you want, you can add more. The last step is to enjoy your cheesecake.